Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most useful tools for fruit enthusiasts, the joyhalo fruit picker. This handy device is not just any ordinary tool. It's recognized as the best apple picking basket on the market. If you've ever struggled to reach those high branches or wished for a more efficient way to gather your fruit, you're going to love what we have to share today. The joyhalo fruit picker stands out with its adjustable stainless steel handle that extends from 2.6 feet to a generous 5.5 feet. This adjustable length means you can customize it to suit your needs, whether you're reaching for the topmost apples or gathering fruit from lower branches. With 4 interconnecting poles, you can easily assemble or disassemble the picker in minutes. But it's not just about reach. The design includes a spacious metal basket that can hold multiple fruits at once, saving you time and effort while picking. No more running back and forth to your collection bucket. The joyhalo basket is also lined with a foam cushion that protects your delicate fruits from bruising when they land. Durability is key, and joyhalo has crafted this fruit picker from high-quality stainless steel. Not only does this ensure a lightweight design for easy handling, but it also guarantees that the product will withstand the rigors of outdoor use season after season. Another feature we appreciate is its ease of use. The minimalist design makes it straightforward to assemble, disassemble, and store. Plus, it comes with a handy storage bag, so you won't have to worry about losing any parts. Now, for those of you who may have hesitated to try a fruit picker due to concerns about efficiency or damage to your fruit, let me put those worries to rest. The joyhalo fruit picker is designed not just for effectiveness, but for the careful handling of your fruits, ensuring they arrive home in perfect condition. Whether you're a hobbyist, a dedicated gardener, or simply someone who enjoys fresh fruits from your own backyard, the joyhalo fruit picker is a game changer. It's versatile enough for picking apples, pears, avocados, and more. So, if you're ready to upgrade your fruit picking game and enjoy the harvest season without the hassle, this is the tool you need. It's easy to see why so many have made the switch to this exceptional fruit picker. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Get out there and enjoy your fruit picking adventures with the best apple picking basket available.